As you could hear, the microphone went from sounding like this, 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet, to now sounding like this, 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. This video is brought to you by cdkeyoffice.com, the best place for buying games, gift cards and software keys on a discount. Simply make an account, use the code Foxy for 20% off and enjoy your purchase. Follow the link in the description for more info. Hello everybody, my name is Foxy, welcome back to a new video. It is fantastic to have you here. Today I brought you this short tutorial to show you guys how to improve your microphone's quality and make it sound more or less like this. I'm basically gonna show you some Audacity effects to apply about your pre-recorded clip, if you will. I'm basically making the short tutorial as a quick follow-up from my previous video, which talked about the best budget microphone that you can get for under $60, which is the Samsung Q2, which is the microphone I'm using right now. If you guys want to see that video, you can just click on the top right corner of the screen. There will be a card, you can click it and it will take you to that video. It is absolutely a banger. These settings will also apply if you have any individual microphone like a Blue Snowball, like a Blue Yeti, a Samsung Q2 just like I do, the 80-20-20, any USB microphone or any dynamic microphone you can use this on. If your microphone is just a headphone microphone, then these settings might not be the best for you, but you can still try them. They might improve the quality of your microphone. Drop a like rating in today's video because each like you put will help this video reach as many people as possible and possibly help them out. And with that said, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, so let me record a quick clip. "20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet." As you can see, just leave it for 5 seconds in complete silence because we're going to need this background noise to remove the background noise. And then you can say start speaking basically. So this is what it sounds like. 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. The first thing they're going to need to do to start editing is basically compress. Highlight your audio track by pressing here. Go to effects and then go to compressor and copy all of my settings. So press OK and boom, as you can see it's compressed. Now it sounds like this. 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. As you can see, it sounds louder and it sounds clearer, which is what we want. But as you can see, it still has some background noise and it still has not enough bass and not enough treble. So we're gonna have to fix that. Highlight your clip again, go to effects, then go to equalization, then go to bass boost. As you can see, there's a dot right here. Click it and drag it all the way down to 3 decibels. Press OK. As you can see, it added some bass to it. 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. Okay, now go ahead and select your clip again, go to effects again, go to equalization again, but this time go to treble, boost, and keep it at 9 decibels and press OK. It's gonna sound better basically. 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. As you can see, it sounds a lot better, but as you can see, there's a lot of background noise, which was previously not audible. But since we compressed it and added some bass and treble, this background noise has been now amplified, so we're gonna have to remove it. So go ahead and select those 5 minutes of silence by basically selecting it. Go to effects, go to noise reduction, press get noise profile, then select the whole clip, go to effects, noise reduction, and then copy my settings. As you can see, the noise reduction decibels are 12, sensitivity is 6, and the frequency smoothing is 3. The noise reduction is for reduce, press OK, and as you can see, there is no background noise anymore. 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. But now the only problem that remains is that it is a bit too loud. So all you need to do to fix that, basically if you have that problem, select your clip again, go to effects and then go to normalize. And then go ahead and press OK. Don't change anything, just press OK, and as you can see, it has fixed the loudness. 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. And as you can see, that's how to improve the microphone's quality. As you could hear, the microphone went from sounding like this, 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet, to now sounding like this. 20 dwarfs took turns doing handstands on the carpet. Anyways guys, I hope this video actually helped you out. I hope you guys have learned something new. If you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to leave a like rating on today's video because each like you put will help this video reach as many people as possible and possibly help them out. Hit that subscribe button as I'm on my way to 4,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.